If you want to flip or invert a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to do it. How to flip a video vertically so it appears upside down. This is super useful for social media edits, creative transitions, reaction videos, and anytime you want to change the look of your footage fast. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, make sure your video is already imported into your CapCut project and placed on the timeline. Once your clip is ready, let's start with the horizontal flip, also called the mirror effect. To do that, right-click on your clip in the timeline. A menu will appear, and from there, select Edit. After that, choose Mirror. As soon as you click it, CapCut will flip your video from left to right, giving it that mirrored look. This is perfect if you want to reverse the direction of a shot or create a stylized effect without changing the actual content of the video. Now, if you want to flip the video vertically, meaning upside down, the process is just as simple. First, select the video clip you want to edit. Then look at the top right function bar and go to the Video tab. Inside that section, click on Basic. Once you're in the basic settings, find the Rotate option. Set the rotation to 180 degrees. The moment you do that, your video will turn completely upside down. This works great if you need a dramatic effect, a creative transition, or just want to transform the clip for a specific visual style. If you're working on a larger edit, remember that you can combine these effects with other CapCut tools like cropping, speed changes, filters, and text overlays to make your video even more polished. And if the result doesn't look right, just click back into the same settings and adjust the rotation or mirror option until it looks exactly the way you want. That's really all there is to it. Flipping or inverting a video in CapCut only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the settings. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides, and I'll see you in the next video.